This shirt says Westpac Cruise 93, 94. I think it's time for some new shirts.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Well, today's gonna be an interesting video here because usually I'm working in the garage on things or traveling or whatever, but you know what? My channel has grown considerably, way more than I would have imagined, and thank you very much to anyone who subscribes and watches my videos. I really appreciate it. I just did this kind of to share what I do and to help people out. I watch a lot of videos when I work on things, so if there's something that I know how to do, I like to share it. But like I said, due to the growth of my channel, I have been fortunate enough to have a few minor sponsorships. In the back here, I have a super clean banner. They helped me out a little bit, and I shared some things from them. And I recently was contacted by a company called Everest. Now, I get an email probably once a week or once every other week from somebody, and usually it's something that doesn't really, let's say, fit in with my channel. And I thought shirts wasn't really going to fit in my channel either, but then I took a look at what they had to offer, and there was something that really caught my eye, so I said, yeah, I'll go for it. So thank you, Everest, for contacting me, and I will show you real quick what prompted me to order from them. And of course, obviously, I could do with a new wardrobe, a few new shirts. My family definitely knows that. I have pictures of me from 20 years ago with the same shirts that I would wear today. So this is not a bad deal for me, and hopefully Everest gets some value out of me sharing this video, and hopefully you all enjoy it. Well, since I'm not the most technologically advanced gentleman here, I'm just gonna video my screen instead of doing a screen grab like a genius would do. Hey, I shoot everything with my phone for the most part. So Everest, I believe, only does men's shirts, and they have some pretty interesting stuff here. I like some of these here, kind of car and automotive themed ones. So that kind of caught my eye. But then what really caught my eye was this fella right here. This Pabst Blue Ribbon long sleeve sweatshirt. Now, as soon as I saw that, I said, hey, this is a deal. I'm definitely going to order some shirts through these guys. They took care of me. I was able to order 4 shirts. And you can see the prices on stuff here. But as you add items into your cart, they knock a discount off. So it gets considerably cheaper. So you can get four or 5 shirts probably for under $100, which in today's economy, that's not too bad. There's some really nice looking shirts in here. They have sports teams, all kinds of stuff. But let's get to opening up mine. Now, before I start opening up the shirts that I got and showing them to you, this was the first thing I put in my cart. And a few days after I ordered it, they said that they didn't have it available. So I don't know if I got this or not. I did send a replacement shirt if they didn't have this one. But who knows? I may still order this one and get it for next year. All right, here's what I got. So let's see what this looks like. Shipping wasn't too bad. I ordered this before the Christmas holiday, and it showed up afterwards. I am not faulting anyone at all. If you want to buy something for Christmas, you ought to order it early. And these weren't really planned to be Christmas items. I just happened to see that they had that PBR shirt. So as you can see, we have some overseas items. So I'm guessing that this is coming from overseas. And yeah, that's where the shipping was from. So open it up, take a peek at what I got here. Oh, I forgot I had ordered this one. It's a Pac-Man shirt. So we'll open that up. Let me open all these and I'll show you what they look like. All right, well, I got them all opened up here. And I got 3. I guess the 4th one is on its way. So we'll see if I end up getting that PBR sweatshirt or not, or if I get my replacement. But they have a lot of these print ones between sports teams and, like I showed you on the on the site there, the car thing. So I just thought this Pac-Man one looked kind of fun, like something I would wear out just to, you know, as a casual fun shirt. And I don't know, it feels like kind of like a, I don't know what it is, polyester type material. I'll have to see what they say the material is. Okay, printing on it here, front and back. And the next shirt I got here, now this one is supposed to be a wrinkle resistant. We'll see about that, I guess, huh? And another kind of just a fun casual shirt. You know, I am just a fun casual guy. It's pretty rare that I will dress up. This will be considered dressing up for me. A little bit of print on the back of that one. And then this one is supposed to be a moisture wicking shirt. So for those hot days, I go visit my family in the Midwest in the summer, hot. This should be good for that. I ordered all larges. That's my usual size. So let me try on, I'll try this one on and we'll see how it fits. I apologize. This one is the wrinkle resistant shirt. So let me get it tried on. There you go. There's our geometric print wrinkle resistant moisture wicking fabric. This is 100% polyester, it says. And the fit's actually quite nice. Let me back up a little bit here. You can see it goes down pretty good if you want to wear it outside, or if you want to be a shirt tucker, you can tuck it in. Collar feels all right. Looks okay on the back side. I can't see. I'm going to throw all these in the wash and do a quick wash on them, and we'll see how they turn out as far as like this wrinkle resistance. I'll try on the Pac-Man shirt here real quick and see how that one looks. All right, here's the classic game men's short sleeve casual shirt. It says on the site this is 100% polyester as well, just like the last one. Now, that's what it says on their website, but inside there is a tag right here. And that tag says, hopefully you can read it, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. And it says that on every shirt. So I don't know what to believe, the shirt or the website. Now, the fabric on this one doesn't feel any different than the other one does as far as moisture wicking or wrinkle resistant. So are they all moisture wicking and wrinkle resistant, or are none of them? I don't know. But like I said, the fabric feels exactly the same. I was expecting maybe a different texture on that one, but it doesn't feel any different. All right, I'll throw on the other one real quick. This one, once again, large, fits pretty good. Like I said, I'm normally a size large. Good length on it. Sometimes when you buy these shirts online, the sizes are not very good, but I'll give these guys a pass on that. Okay, this one on their site is described as a rock wave print casual breathable short sleeve Hawaiian shirt. Also on the site it says 100% polyester. The tag, once again, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. Feels okay. Feels like it'd be a cool shirt on a hot day. You know, some people don't like the feel of polyester, and I think if I was to wear this, I would wear an undershirt of some sort, probably. I like the back on this one. So let's throw them in the wash machine. We'll wash them on gentle and dry them on cool, and we'll see how they turn out. Now here are the shirts after being washed and dried. The wrinkles are still in the wrinkle resistant fabric. So I don't know, I showed these to my wife. She liked the shirts, and I had her feel to see if there was any difference between these three, and she couldn't feel any difference in the fabric. So I don't know what makes one, you know, moisture wicking and what makes one wrinkle resistant, but there they are. They do have a very great selection of just weird off-the-wall stuff. So if you're into that sort of thing, they have special holiday shirts for, of course, Christmas and New Year, but they even have Thanksgiving shirts and St. Patrick's Day and Halloween shirts. So if you're into that sort of thing, and sports as well, NFL and Major League Baseball. Yeah, not a bad deal. And the more you order, the better the deal. I think it was 25% off of each shirt after ordering 4, and shipping was free. So not too bad. Once again, I'd like to thank Summer Everest for giving me the chance to review your product and sending me these shirts. I will be wearing them. Like I said, there's some things that I'm not certain about, but I think pretty nice shirts for the deal, and a huge selection of different shirts there. So if you're into some weird shirts, check them out. And there'll be some links below and all that sort of stuff. So Summer Everest, awesome. All right, if you're enjoying my videos, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Probably won't have too many more shirt videos, but you just never know. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.